There has been a lot of research already on the use of biotics, like probiotics, postbiotics, to help support different aspects of aging, like cognition, for example. Some of the evidence available so far shows that biotics are able to maintain cognition in aging, and there is a lot of interest to continue this research and to understand more how the brain interacts with the gut through the gut-brain axis, and this could lead eventually to a major breakthrough in science. So biotics intervention would be able to target or have an impact on several of the key risk factors for conditions that are associated with aging, so to help support the maintenance of health. And there is evidence also that this could be achieved through a modulation of the gut microbiota, so maintenance of homeostasis, a maintenance of metabolic balance, maintenance of gut barrier integrity. So in terms of knowledge gaps, currently there are still several because it's only the beginning. It's very promising, but of course we do need a lot more research to understand what is going on. The key research gap is to understand the role of sex factors. We know that some conditions associated with aging affect men more than women or vice versa, and we know also that sex hormones and other factors do influence those conditions. And another important key gap that we would need to tackle is the role of oral dysbiosis. There has been a lot of focus on gut dysbiosis, changes that happen in the gastrointestinal tract, but a lot of evidence also points towards things that happen in the mouth. As a matter of fact, we have recently published a comprehensive review of the literature in Frontiers in Nutrition, where we have looked at several of the neuroprotective effects of biotics in both animal models and randomized controlled trials with human participants. We at Lallemand already have some collaborations with experts in the field, and we are always looking to develop new collaborations. So if you are interested, please reach out to us, and we will be happy to discuss opportunities with you.